Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter real numbers, exercise 1.2, question 1. The question is, prove that root 5 is irrational. You have to prove that root 5 is irrational. Let us see how to prove it. First, let us assume to the contrary, that root 5 is rational. First, we will assume that root 5 is rational. Then, when root 5 is rational, root 5 we can write it as a by b. Where b is not equal to 0, a and b are co-prime integers. A and b are co-prime integers. So now we will cross multiply. We will get root 5b is equal to a. Now we will square both sides. Squaring both sides. Root 5b whole square will be equal to a square. So here root 5b whole square means root 5b into root 5b. So we will get 5b square. You can see here root 5b into root 5b. Root 5 root 5 is 5. B into b is b square. So we will get root 5b square. That's equal to a square. We got 5b square is equal to a square. You can see here a square is a multiple of 5 because 5 into b square is a square. So a square is a multiple of 5. Therefore, a square is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. When a square is divisible by 5, then a is also divisible by 5. Then a is also divisible by 5. A is also divisible by 5. So we can write A is equal to 5c for some integer c. For some integer c. A is equal to 5c for some integer c. Now we will substitute the value of, let us label it as equation 1. We will put the value of a in equation 1. Substitute the value of a in equation 1. Equation 1. So when we will substitute the value of a in equation 1. So we get 5b square is equal to 5c whole square. So 5b square is equal to 25c square. Now I'll divide both sides with 5. So 5b square by 5 is equal to 25c square by 5. So this 5 will get cut there. So b square will be equal to, I can divide it. So 5c square. You can see here b square is also a multiple of 5. Therefore, b square is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. So, b is also divisible by 5. B is also divisible by 5. You can see here, we have shown that A is divisible by 5 and B is also divisible by 5. Till now what we have shown? We have shown that A and B are both divisible by 5. So, five is a common factor of A and B. A and B. This contradicts the fact that that A and B are co-prime. A and B are co-prime. This contradicts the fact that A and B are co-prime. This contradiction has arisen has arisen because of our incorrect assumption that root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational. So we can conclude that root 5 is rational. Root 5 is irrational. Hence proved. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.